Hello, my name is Joel Clemens, and this is my Arduino project. I made a robotic arm. I started off, I went and got a couple rector sets from the Dollar Tree, and took those, I think they were for like a car and a tractor or something, and I took those and made this base here out of it, and took these for the arms. And then I went and got some servos from Radio Shack. And then the way I have this hooked up here is I have these hooked into this little breadboard here just to save some room on this so it wouldn't be such a jumbled mess. So we got the power, the ground, and the output, and going from that over here to this breadboard. And then we have our three potentiometers here hooked up to the breadboard too, and coming into these analog ports here, and then of course we have the servos to the inputs, and the power going to everything else. And I guess the idea for this is it's just like just a basic arm you could use for in a factory or any other type of thing, and then just use different attachments. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the code. We start off here and we have three different servos. We have them set up just three variables. And then here we're going to establish the potentiometers and which analog pins are going to be in. So we got 0, 2, and 4. And then here is our variable for the value, basically the where the potentiometer is in degrees. And then here in the setup, we're going to attach our servos to each one of the respective output pins, or input pins, excuse me. Now down here we have 3 blocks of code here. Each one of these is for one of the servos and potentiometers. So we look at this here. We have what it's doing here is it's reading the position of the potentiometer and writing it to the value. And then here it's taking that and finding where that is in degrees, and we establish the range of it. So I mean it could be 0 to 180, but I have it set to 360 to get a little bit more range on it. And then right here we have it writing that value that we got from the potentiometer to the servo. So when it's basically like if potentiometer is on this value, then move servo to this degree, and then we delay it by 15. And then we just do this 3 times for each one of our servos. Okay, so now I'm going to show it working. First it moves, its first joint down here moves it, moves the bottom pivot. And you can see it's a little shaky because there's quite a bit of weight on the servos, and servos aren't exactly powerful enough to take it, but you see it moves down there like that, and then it comes up to the next joint. We get this movement here, and then of course this top one up here.